Welcome to week 25, guys. We're getting there. It's almost spring break, so you gotta just keep in there. You keep hanging in there. Okay, so this week, it's set up exactly like it's been forever. So we're in before you begin. You should be watching it based on this. You have your student checklist, which I'm going to Okay, so we're in week 25. We will have this overview tomorrow or Monday at 11. We have assignment 1, 2, and 3 this week, and then on Wednesday we will do a voluntary office hours, etc. Our vocabulary is in the same ballpark. We're working on motion paths is the big thing for this week, or morph. So the question is does it matter if it's created in PowerPoint or in Animate? Do you think that you can tell a difference? So that's what we're working towards. Okay, so assignment 1, you have to go back to last week for assignment 10. And you need to open up Harlow the dog however you animated it, whether it was downloaded or the web version. And then you are going to save it as a video if you have the downloaded version. And if you have the online version, you're going to share it with me. So it is another way that you can take and move files around, and we're making sure that you know how to do it. So at the end, it will be for the downloaded version. It's going to look something like this. It comes up as a video, and now I show you how you get your text to move, and then you'll have your sound.
Did you know that George Washington's dog name was Sweet Lips?
Okay, so that is what you're going to do. You are going to submit the movie. If you are on the downloaded version, you are submitting the movie. If you are on the online version, you are sharing it with me. And if you go to assignment 1, you will see that I have for the downloaded one and for the web one. So whichever version you have, that's what you will do, and then you will put it in the assignment. For assignment 2, we are creating, there's a baby shark that I already created, or I found, I didn't create it, I don't want to take the, and we are going to animate baby shark, and we are going to put sound to it, and we are going to either share it with me, or we're going to make it into a movie and submit the movie, just like you did in assignment 1. Whatever, if you are on a web version, you are going to share it with me once you've done it. And if you are on the downloaded version, you will be able to make the video and then submit the video as part of your assignment. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, and so I walk you through how to do that. And if you go to assignment 2, I have the same thing. There is one for the downloaded version and one for the online. Please make sure you watch both videos, because the videos got split, So each one has a video 1 and a video 2. So when you open it up, you will see video 1 and then video 2. It is there. You need to watch both of them. And then for assignment 3, this week we're doing typing. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a 1-minute time test on 2 different websites. So the 2 different websites is typing.com and typingtest.com. And then I want you to compare them. So you're going to copy and paste this sentence into the assignment and you're going to answer it. When you fill in the reason, please don't say because it was easier. I need you to put some thought into it. I have no way of checking to make sure that you are doing it. I am taking your word for it, but you need to put in some effort. All right, so that is what we are doing this week, 1, 2, and 3. So if you have any questions, join me on Monday at 11, and I will go over all this. I can answer questions, or you can message me. If not, I hope to see you guys soon.